Tired of sky-high HVAC installation costs that can run into thousands? What if you could install a professional-grade heat pump yourself in just a few hours? Welcome to PartsHnC, where we bring you the latest in home comfort with MRCOOL, America's only DIY-designed heat pump system. Whether you're facing extreme summer heat or freezing winter temperatures, these systems deliver precise, reliable climate control to keep your home exactly how you like it. By choosing a MRCOOL system from our site, you are investing in an innovative, ductless solution that eliminates the need for costly ductwork and professional installation, helping you save both time and money. Our most popular options are the MRCOOL DIY Mini Split systems, which are perfect for everything from a single room to an entire house. We carry single-zone units ranging from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, capable of cooling and heating spaces up to 1,500 square feet. If you have a larger home, the new 5th-generation multi-zone condensers can now handle up to 6 separate zones, giving you total flexibility over every room in your house. These systems are famous for their patented Quick Connect line sets, which come pre-charged with R454B refrigerant. This means just about anyone can mount the indoor air handler, connect the lines, and have their system running in just a few short hours without any specialized tools or HVAC training. For a more seamless look, we offer the MRCOOL Out-of-Sight Ceiling Cassette, which fits right into your ceiling and is fully compatible with our multi-zone DIY setups. If you live in a particularly cold climate, the DIY Hyperheat series is engineered to provide efficient, all-season comfort even when the temperature outside drops significantly. We also feature the DIY Hybrid Air Handler, which is a smart, flexible solution designed to replace older, existing HVAC systems while still allowing for a seamless do-it-yourself installation for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. MRCOOL isn't just about easy installation, it's about smart control. Every system is compatible with the SmartHVAC app, allowing you to adjust temperatures, set schedules, and monitor energy use right from your phone. You can even use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. To ensure your system lasts, every unit comes with a DIY PRO armored communication cable for superior mechanical protection and durability. Plus, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected by an industry-leading 7-year compressor warranty and a 5-year parts warranty when you register your unit. For those seeking the ultimate in renewable energy efficiency, we also carry MRCOOL GeoCool geothermal heat pump units and specialized parts such as the GeoCool inverter. These high-performance systems are the perfect solution for homeowners looking to maximize sustainability and long-term energy savings. At PartsHnC, we stock all the essential accessories you need to complete your project, from pre-charged line sets to mounting brackets and templates. Visit PartsHnC.com to explore our extensive inventory of standard air conditioners, full split systems, and specialized HVAC parts designed to help you get the job done right. Experience the satisfaction of a professional-grade installation you performed yourself and start enjoying a more comfortable home today.